You have to vote whether it is a person A or the person B. Dhadang, dhadang, dhadang. Hello everyone. Today there is a surprise in the beginning of the video. You have to vote whether it is a person A or the person B who will be right now speaking to you. So here it goes. This is person A. Dhadang, dhadang, dhadang. So here this is person A. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. In today's video, we will learn about phrasal verbs. So that will help you to modify the meaning of some sentences. If you find it difficult, please don't stop trying, and by the end of the video, you will be able to speak better and more confident. Now comes the person B. Hello everyone, welcome back to Chai with Sushmita. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of phrasal verbs where you will learn about them. These are all those little tricky concepts that will change up the meaning of the sentence. So if you find it confusing in the beginning, please don't give up, because I will be breaking them into pieces that will help you to understand it better. And by the time I wrap up this video, you will become a pro in using them and of course speaking it with a lot of confidence. So these were two people, person A and person B. Whom did you like, or whose conversation left an impression on you? I am sure it was person B. Now, what was the difference between the two of them speaking? It was that the person B used a lot of phrasal verbs while speaking, which helped the person B to sound more natural, more confident, and of course, it left an impression on all of us. So today's video is all about phrasal verbs. Let's get started and learn them so that both you and me, of course, can make our English a little more happening and sound better and smarter. So the first one is bring up. Bring up means to mention. Let us use it in a sentence. Like Ria always likes to bring up her childhood stories whenever we meet. So whenever we meet, she's a good friend of mine and we discuss about so many things. And she always brings up the topic of her childhood with so much of nostalgia. So yes, she always mentions about her childhood stories. The next one is to look after, which means to take care. Ria looks after her younger brother, which means she is elder to him, right? So she takes care of him. The next one is turn down, which means to reject. Okay, so after a lot of thought, Ria turned down the offer. So she had got a good offer from the company, but she sat down with it and she thought about it, and then she turned it down at the last moment because she didn't want to relocate to other city. So she rejected or turned down the offer. The next one is give up, or maybe what is its meaning? It is to stop trying or to quit something. So whatever life throws at you, please don't give up, because why? It is your, that constant trying which will definitely help you succeed in life. So yes, remember, don't give up when it is difficult for you to learn English. Keep trying and I'm sure you will reach where you want to reach. The next one is breakdown. Here, breakdown, I am referring in terms of like machinery, okay? So when I use breakdown for machines, it can be like to stop working. My laptop, let's say, stopped working again. So my laptop broke down again. So this is how I use this in a sentence. The next one is keep up with, which is the meaning of which is to stay at same speed. Like I'm finding it really difficult to keep up with my school syllabus. So the teachers are teaching and everything is going at a fast pace, and I'm finding it difficult to keep up with it, which means I'm not being able to match up or stay at the same speed with my school. The next one is think over, which means to consider carefully. Like if we use it in a sentence, before making any decision in life, you really need to think over, right? You have to see its pros, its cons, its disadvantages, and then accordingly take a decision. So yes, before making any decision, please think over it. The next one is hold on, which means to wait a moment. Like here, if I'm using it in a sentence, can you hold on? I'll be right back, which means I'm asking you to wait for some time, wait for a moment. The next one is count on, which means to depend. Like I can count on my best friend in any of the situations in life. So whatever happens, I can always count on her, which means I can always depend on her. The next one is lay off. Lay off means to fire an employee. Like if we use it in a sentence, because of inflation, MNCs are actually laying off people, which means they are firing people from their job. The next one is put up with. Put up with means to tolerate. Like I cannot put up with people who are liars. So people who lie, I can't just tolerate them. I cannot put up with them. The next one is let down. Let down means to disappoint. So I try my best that I don't let down my parents. I'm always careful about what I do so that I don't disappoint them. The next one is turn up. Turn up means to appear or to show up. Okay, like he always turns up late for the meetings. So whenever there is a meeting, he will turn up, but he's always late. Okay, so here turn up means to come or to appear or to show up. Okay, the last one is, before we wrap up this video, let us know the meaning of wrap up. Wrap up means to end or finish something. Like the manager gave us a pep talk before he wrapped up the meeting. So before he finished or ended the meeting, he gave us all a pep talk. So before I wrap up this video, I would like to remind you that use of phrasal verb is so essential in your daily conversation and how it actually help you to converse better. So yes, start using them today in different sentences, practice with it, and when it is time to talk to people, bring it on and use it with confidence. This was all for today's video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, you take care, keep learning, keep thriving. Thank you so much.